Sorry guys, it's a little dark down here, so I'm trying to give you the best light I can. So, this is threads in there. It doesn't have to be super tight. So I gotta go cut a piece of pipe for this length. That one didn't want to come out, so new piece of pipe's not a big deal. You just hand tighten that one. It isn't going to be super tight. If it does leak, it's going to leak back into the crock and it'll drain out anyway. Hoping my glue's not frozen. It was 20 here today, so it might be frozen. I don't know. I guess we'll find out, huh? Oh yeah, nah, she's good. She's good. I was hoping it wasn't frozen because I don't have another can, so that would have worked out. Not so well, not so well. Once it's dry, I'll tighten this up a little more. It's a little loose, but I'll get it a little tighter if I can. Like I said, it's going to be underwater, so it's not a huge deal if it leaks. Obviously, you don't want it to leak, but if it does, it's not going to hurt anything. Let you guys know, on these check valves, one, you want to make sure they're going the right direction, and two, there's also a bevel. You see a little bevel right there? This side's more flat, so you want the flat side down inside the nut, because the bevel's going to go right there, like that. Just in case you ever get one, you got to put one in. This kind of blue lock stuff gets everywhere, man. I'm about to switch to a different brand or something, because it's almost like it stains your hands once you get on it, and I'm not really a fan of wearing gloves for the most part, just because they break and I gotta keep putting them back on every 20 minutes, it seems like. So to me, it's more of a pain in the butt than anything. I'd rather just wash my hands like normal and call it a day, like you're supposed to do. So, but it's whatever. So this stuff, I'm not exactly sure what's in it, but there's a flapper in there. This little flapper, you always want to make sure it's going the right direction, or your pump won't pump the water out. Plug it in and see what it does. Oh yeah, she's working. She's working. It's going down, definitely. No leaks in the check valve, so that's good. That should cut off in a second. Stuck or something. That's kind of weird. Let's see why that float's not cutting off. Alright guys, so there was some stuff under this float, so I just moved it around. So when you lift it up, it kicks on. When you let go, it kicks off. See, it's supposed to fall back by itself. So, yeah, that was all done.